Welcome back to another episode of Doodling with Mesforum. Today, we have a special guest. He's been around since the beginning of this channel, and he's gonna give his shot at doing some more. So everyone, welcome back, Jason.
Hey everyone, I'm Jason. If you'd like to see how Mesforum drew this, check out the last episode. Okay, so today we're going to be drawing street calligraphy, also known as graffiti. If you like this, maybe not this, but this, you should subscribe. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just gonna color. Yeah, I forgot to record. What are you gonna do about it? Shit. You know what really pisses me off? You go to work, you thinking, alright, I'm gonna have like a regular day at work. It's gonna be long. Fucking 8, 10, 12 hours, whatever, till I can be home. Till I can be home, relaxing, watching TV, watching Netflix, whatever it may be. So you come into work, you think you're gonna have a regular day. And then all of a sudden, these electrical problems start happening to your machine. You use the machine every day, or you watch the machine be used every day, and you're thinking, alright, well, what could possibly be wrong with this? So you start troubleshooting it. You start troubleshooting it because it's doing some weird shit, like it's not sending power to this switch that it sends power to all the time. You're wondering, or there's not power going to the switch, I should say. So you're wondering, what could this be? You start troubleshooting, you start looking for a short to ground, but the breaker's not tripped, so it can't be a short to ground, or else the breaker would have tripped, right? So then you're thinking, well, what could cause it to not have power? Maybe it's disconnected somewhere. Maybe possibly it's disconnected somewhere, and you're just not getting power. So you start checking all your connections, checking everything, checking this, checking that. Then you think maybe the switch burned up. That's why it didn't trip the breaker. The switch burned up and it didn't short out or anything. It's just not making a connection anymore. So it's just stuck open. So then you change the switch out. Or, well, you continuity test the switch when you disconnect it, or you change it out. Whatever the case may be. Didn't work. So you're like, what the fuck could this possibly be? Why does this switch not have power today? And then you just come to find out that one of your coworkers decided to switch the parameters on the VFD. So now your variable frequency drive is fucked up, or it's got the wrong parameters, and it's just not sending power to the switch because somebody made it not send power to the switch, not because there was a problem and nobody told you to just don't troubleshoot this circuit. Oh, I changed the parameters on this switch or on this VFD. No, of course not. No, they're gonna let you troubleshoot for a good half hour to an hour. Stay late, might I add, so you can figure this problem out, just for them to say, oh no, I switched the parameters on the VFD. That pisses me off.
Yeah.
I'm not doing
Nah,
this. I watch you. You're like. Today we're gonna draw street. It's just, I don't know why I had to land like that.
You should get Rocket League, man.
I don't ever play my PlayStation.
Huh?
I said I don't ever play my PlayStation.
Why not? When you get home, what do you do?
Masturbate.